How to check data usage on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you tap on settings, just scroll down and then tap on connection and sharing over here. So as you tap on connection and sharing, all you have to do is scroll down until you find the option of data usage under the other application or the other segment. So tap on data usage, and as you tap on data usage, you will be able to see the total mobile data usage that you have done over the period of time. So here it says today. You can also select the time of last month or this month as well over here. So you can just select any of these options. So if I want to see the data usage of last month, all I have to do is just press on last month and you'll be able to see which app and which area of the segment on my app or on my device has taken or used data for the maximum. So if you want to see for each application, you can just go for each application and see the data usage over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.